mini PC or handheld PC, which is the ultimate portable powerhouse for 2026. If you're torn between gaming on the go, crushing work tasks, or just want the best bang for your buck, this video is for you. We're breaking down performance, portability, price, and who should buy which so you can make the perfect choice. Mini PCs and handheld PCs are two of the hottest categories in tech right now. Both promise portability and power, but they're built for very different needs. So, which one is right for you? In this video, we'll compare performance, gaming, emulation and productivity, portability and use cases, travel, office, couch gaming, price and value, which gives you more for your money. Top picks for 2026, best mini PCs and handhelds. Who should buy which? Gamers, students, professionals. By the end, you'll know exactly which device fits your lifestyle. First up, performance. Which device actually delivers the power you need? Gaming and emulation. Handhelds like the ROG Ally X or Steam Deck OLED are optimized for gaming on the go. They use AMD Ryzen Z2 or similar APUs, which are great for indie games, emulation, and even AAA titles at lower settings. Mini PCs like the Beelink SE8 or Geekom IT13 can outperform handhelds, especially if you pick one with a dedicated GPU like the Asus ROG Muse with RTX 5080s. But most mini PCs rely on integrated graphics, which can lag behind handhelds in raw gaming power. Winner? If you want pure gaming performance, a high-end mini PC wins, but for portable gaming, a handheld is king. Productivity. Mini PCs shine here. They can handle multiple monitors, video editing, coding, and heavy multitasking. Just like a desktop, handhelds are limited by screen size and input options, but they're great for light work, emails, and travel. Winner, mini PC for productivity, hands down. So, if you game a lot and need portability, a handheld is your best bet. If you need powerful work or serious gaming, a mini PC is the way to go. Next up, portability and use cases. Where do these devices fit into your life? Handhelds, ultra portable, slip one into a backpack, or even a large pocket. Perfect for couch gaming, travel, commutes, or quick work on the go. Downsides: small screens, limited battery life, and cramped controls for productivity. Mini PCs, portable but not pocketable. You'll need a bag, monitor, keyboard, and mouse to use it on the go. Perfect for home offices, dorm rooms, HTPCs, home theater PCs, or as a travel workstation with a portable monitor. Downsides: not as convenient for gaming on the couch or during a commute. If you need to work or game anywhere, a handheld is unbeatable. But if you want a desktop experience in a tiny package, a mini PC is the better choice. Let's talk price and value, which gives you more bang for your buck. Handhelds, budget options, like the Ampernic RG406V starts at $150 to $300. Mid-range, like the ROG Ally X, runs $700 to $1,000. High-end, like the Lenovo Legion Go, can hit $1,000 plus. Mini PCs, budget options like the Beelink SE5 start at $200 to $400. Mid-range like the Geekom IT30 runs $500 to $800. High-end, like the Asus ROG Nuke with RTX 5080 can exceed $3,000. For pure value, a mini PC gives you more power per dollar, especially for productivity. But if you want portability, a handheld is worth the premium. Here are the best mini PCs and handhelds for 2026. Best handhelds, best overall, Asus ROG Ally X $799. Powerful, great screen and ergonomic. Best budget, Ampernic RG406V $29. Great for emulation and indie games. Best for productivity, GPD Win Mini $799. Full Windows, keyboard and mouse support. Best mini PCs, best overall, Beelink SE8 $599. Ryzen A745HS, great cooling and expandability. Best budget, GMK Nutbox 5 $299. Compact and affordable. Best high-end, Asus ROG New C $37. RTX 5080 desktop level power. No matter your budget, there's a perfect device for you. Finally, who should buy which? Let's break it down. Buy a handheld. If you game on the go, commutes, travel, couch gaming, want a portable emulation machine, need light productivity, emails, browsing, travel work, don't want to deal with peripherals, Buy a mini PC if you need desktop level power, gaming, video editing, coding, want a compact workstation, office, dorm, home theater, plan to use multiple monitors, want better cooling and upgrade options. Still torn? Ask yourself, do I prioritize portability or power? If it's portability, go handheld. If it's power, go mini PC. And that's it, the ultimate showdown between mini PCs and handhelds in 2026. Whether you game, work, or do both, there's a perfect device for you. Now I want to hear from you. Which would you choose, a mini PC or a handheld? What's your top priority, portability or power? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.